Hello student. Previous video we saw extra question short answer type question 3 marks each. That only session we are continuing. Here also in this video we'll see short answer type questions 3 mark each. Now question number 10. If alpha and beta are zeros of a polynomial 2x square minus 7x plus 6, then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2. Now see here, you have to read problem 2 or 3 times. Try to understand what is the given and what they told to find out. Here alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Polynomial is given. Then form a quadratic polynomial and whose zeros are alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2. Now then we have to form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2. Now see, at least we'll start here how to solve. So alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Then what we have to do? We have to compare this with the standard form. Then standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. Then a equal to 2. Then b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 6. Now that is written. Then sum means alpha plus beta. Formula is there minus b upon e. We know the b. So minus, for b is minus sign. So minus sign as it is, and b is already minus 7 upon 2. Minus minus plus means 7 upon 2. This is first equation. Then alpha beta means it is product equal to c upon a equal to c is 6, a is 2. That means here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So answer is 3 equal to 3. Alpha beta means product equal to 3. Second equation. Now sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros means what? Here see. Here again zeros are there. Alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2. Okay. Then here alpha plus beta, because we have to, with the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros, we have to form the polynomial. Their zeros are alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2. Now sum of these two, this is the one 0, another 0, then here their sum. So alpha plus beta and 2 plus 2 4. Simple addition is there. We have to remove the bracket, means alpha plus 2 plus beta plus 2. So alpha plus beta plus 4. So alpha plus beta, this value we got from equation 1, that is the 7 upon 2. So write 7 upon 2 and plus 4 as it is. Now here make the denominator same. LCM we have to take. LCM is 2. So here multiply by 2. 4 2s are 8. That means 8. 7 plus 8 means 15 upon 2. That is the third equation. Now product of the zeros, alpha plus 2 and another bracket beta plus 2. So this alpha we have to multiply by both terms. That means alpha beta plus 2 alpha. By these two we have to multiply both terms. That is the 2 beta and 2 into 2 plus 4. Now alpha beta, here again 2, here this we have to add. 2 is common and in bracket alpha plus beta plus 4. Then alpha beta's value is from equation alpha beta from 2. Then alpha beta is 3 plus 2 as it is. Alpha plus beta from equation 1. We'll get the from equation 1 7 upon 2. Okay. Means 2 into 7 upon. Value of this alpha plus beta is 7 upon 2. Plus 4 as it is. That means it is from 1 and 2. So 3 as it is. 2 1s are 2. So here 7 plus 4, that means here 10, 10 plus 4, 14. This is the fourth. Now required polynomial. Now we got the sum, we got the product, so we can form the easily required polynomial. What is the question asked? That is the k in bracket, k is a constant, in bracket x square minus sum of the zeros multiply by x plus product of the zeros, where k is not equal to 0. If k is equal to, then whole will come 0. Then we can't solve it. Now k outside the bracket, in bracket x square minus what is the sum? 15 upon 2 x plus 14. Okay. Then this value is sum. This is the sum and this is the product of this 14. Okay, then k as it is. Now here fraction is came, so LCM we have to take. So here you have to multiply by 2, here multiply by 1, here multiply by 2. Then 2x square minus 15x plus 28 upon 2. This 2 we are bringing outside, that means 1 upon 2. Here k is there already, so become k upon 2. In bracket it will remain 2x square minus 15x plus 28. Okay, so here this is the, now taking k equal to, because we have to remove this k, always we are, if k we are keeping, then k we are taking equal to 1 because k is constant. But here now upon 2 is there, so k equal to 2. So what will happen? See, k equal to 2 means 2 upon 2, that means 1 you will get. And then 2x square minus 15x plus 28 is the required polynomial. This is your answer. Now next, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 2x square minus in bracket 2 root 3 minus 1 outside the multiply by x minus 3 and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. Now see here, this p of x given polynomial is written, zeros of the polynomial is p of x equal to 0. So here we can find out the zeros. 2x square, try to understand, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Like this question we solved in previous videos, that you can check. Now here same question it is, we have to find out the zeros. Now here see, this first will 2x square, here 2x square minus 2 in bracket 2 root 3 minus 1 in outside the bracket x means multiply x minus 3. Now here 2x square here as it is, here 2 we are taking common, that means what will remain here, root 3 minus 1 into x minus 3 minus root 3 equal to 0. Okay, now here 2x square minus 2 root 3 x plus x means we are multiplying this. Okay, here see here, here no not required bracket, here you can write like this, 2 root 3 minus 1 outside the x is there minus 3 as it is, actually whatever it is given as it is. We are 2x square minus in bracket 2 root 3 minus outside the bracket x means multiplication, bracket complete, multiply by x, that we are equal to 0 because p of x equal to 0. Then your 2x square as it is. Then here see 2 root 3 multiply by x, x is not in square root, only root 3 is there, and this x minus multiply this minus, here outside the bracket minus sign is there, minus, so minus minus plus means we are multiplying this x to the this whole bracket, means we are removing the bracket, and outside the minus sign is there, so this sign will change. Here plus is there, here is become minus, and your minus root 3 as it is equal to 0. Now we can take the 2x common, means here 2x, then what will remain in bracket x minus root 3, bracket complete, plus here x and minus root 3 is there, so 1 is common, so in bracket x minus root 3. Okay, now here means these two are same or common, so what we can take x minus root 3 in one bracket and 2x plus 1 remaining, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So x minus root 3 equal to 0, x equal to root 3 and 2x equal to minus 1. This one is transposing this side, it's become minus, and x 2 transposing this side, so division, x equal to minus 1 upon 2. So hence the zeros of the p of x are root 3 and minus 1. Now we got the zeros of the polynomial. Now we have to verify the relation. Now comparing p of x with the standard form ax square plus bx equal to, see, then a equal to 2, b equal to minus root 2 root 3 minus 1, like this here. See, you have to take care about your minus sign and bracket, and c equal to minus root 3, the sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros, see here, zeros we got, this 0 we have to use. Then sum of the zeros, root 3 plus minus 1 upon 2. So we have to make the denominator same. So 2 will come here denominator. So here multiply by 2. So see here 2 root 3 and here multiply. So here minus 1 is coming. Then by the formula you are putting minus b upon a. So minus, as it is your, this minus b is 2 root 3 minus 1. This is the b and a is your 2. So here minus minus become plus. So 2 root 3 minus 1 upon 2. This is the sum of the zeros. Okay, see here you got the sum of the zeros. What zeros we got, that we add, and by formula we are doing that, we got, that is the same. Then product of the zeros, alpha beta. Then by solving, we solve here, no, see this we solve, that product root 3 into minus 1 upon 2. So minus sign as it is, root 3 upon 2. Then by formula c upon a. What is the c here? C is here, c you can take here minus root 3 and a is 2. So minus root 3 upon 2. Hence the relationship between the zeros and coefficient is verified. Very simple. By stepwise you have to go, and whatever it is given, that way you have to solve with the help of that, or whatever concepts are there, that we have to use. If you are doing more practice, you will understand better. So we are doing the many more extra questions. Please share and subscribe and give your comments. Thank you for watching.